Atma Namaste. I am so happy to have you here with me today. One of the best ways to start our day is on a positive note. How? It's very easy to be grateful for what we have in life right now. To live in the now is the biggest gift we can give ourselves. We must be grateful for all our blessings. And when we start living with the attitude of gratitude, we will attract abundance. They say it is not by spectacular achievements that we can be transformed, but we can be transformed by will. The will has to be yours to want to change the negative into positive. Thoughts become things. So let's start on our journey of positive thoughts changing into beautiful reality. Firstly, let's go to a corner where you will not be disturbed. Now, we sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana, or if you are more comfortable, on a chair. Make sure you keep your spine straight, tall, and relaxed. Now, slowly close your eyes. Switch yourself off from the outside surrounding. Cut away the noise. Tune yourself inward. Focus on your awareness. Let's begin with some gentle breathing. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. We repeat this 5 times. Allow yourself to let go of all your thoughts with every exhalation. Inhale. Beautiful thoughts. Exhale all that you don't need. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Focus on your breath. Be in the now, in the present moment. Breathe in fully. Fill your lungs. Pause. Exhale completely. Empty your lungs. Keep breathing. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate all that we have. Believe in these words. Visualize your goal for the day. Rub your palms. Feel the heat Gently place it on your eyes horizontally. Now slowly open your eyes. Have a wonderful day. Atma Namaste.